Hi, good morning students. So today we are going to study chapter number 12 of grammar, that is tenses. And tenses you are studying from a way before time, means that from मेरे को लगता है third या fourth standard से आप पढ़ रहे होंगे. So what is the meaning of tenses? Tenses means which is referring to the time. Time means what? Not 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Timing means it is referring to the present, past or future action. Present means what I am doing it now. Past means what we have already did, or future means what we are going to do. So in this chapter we are going to study present tense, past tense, future tense and some of their features. Tense is the way verbs relate their meanings to time. Now from the verb of the sentences we come to know about the tense. कि जो sentence में verb होते हैं, see the main integral part of the sentence is verb that I've already told you. I'm not going to repeat it again. The action which we are doing, the action shows whether the tenses like that it is in present, past or future. If I am saying I am teaching, teaching means it is going on action, so it will be present tense. I have taught, taught is my action which I have already done. I will teach, so will teach is my action which I will do in the future. So these are the actions which is maintaining according to the tenses. See, tenses are different forms of a verb, can indicate the time of action, that is present, past and futures, and these are three tenses in English. A verb in the present tense tells about an action in the present time, that is now. The action which is presently going on, the tenses talks about that. A verb in the past tense tells about an action in the past, that is earlier, that is already which we have done, and you know this I have taught you in 5th standard. The action which is already done. Now in the present tense it was the example cooks, reads, walks, is, buys, are. These are the present form. Cooks. So cooked. I have cooked the food. So cooked means it is already in the past. So that becomes past tense. So in the tenses, the verb, the word which is showing us, from that we can know whether it is a present tense, it is a past tense or a future tense. A future tense verb tells us about an action in the future time, that is later. Future means अभी हमें पता नहीं है, but हम कोई चीजें जैसे future के लिए सोच के रखते हैं, तो हम उसको I will go for a picnic after this corona. So you have planned for the future that you will go. Whether it will happen or not, that is not the case, but you have already planned it for the future. Will cook, will read, will walk, will be, will buy, will cry. Now here you will see, like in the present tense and the past tense, the words changes from cook to cooked. But when it comes to future, the thing is we add will to the verb form to show that it is a future tense. Some grammarians do not consider future tense a tense. This is because we make future tense by adding will to the verb and not by making changes to the verb itself. जो मैंने अभी आपको कहा, कुछ grammarians मतलब the one who is very learned grammar people, जो ये rules और regulations grammars का लिखते हैं, book लिखते हैं grammar के ऊपर, वो future tense को as a tense नहीं मानते. Why? Because they feel that future tense, the verb is not changing its word by itself. जैसे cook है तो cooked हुआ, so cooked become the future tense, past tense. But in future tense what we do, we add will. So some grammarians feels that कि वो future tense नहीं हो सकता है because उसमें will add करते हैं, वो word अपने आप में change नहीं होता. That's why the base form of the verb is walk, buy, and present tense it becomes walks, buys. ये मैंने आपको किस में पढ़ाया है, आपको याद होगा, walks, buys, present, past, जो भी हमने last to last chapters में पढ़े थे वही है. Past tense it is walked and bought. Now in future tense it becomes will walk, will buy. Notice that there is no independent single word future tense forms of the verb like the present tense form or the past tense form. See, they are telling you the same thing, that जैसे present tense they have a single verb that is walks, and past tense it becomes walked. बट इन द फ्यूचर टेंस ऐसा कोई भी वर्ड नहीं है जो अपने आप को फ्यूचर में चेंज करता हो, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ एडिंग विल टू इट, सो फ्यूचर टेंस में वो चीज अवेलेबल ही नहीं है. Within the present, past and future tense, there are specific verb forms that indicates whether the action is in progress, that is continue, or action that is completed, that is perfect. All verb forms for each tense are listed below in separate tables. Now I will tell you a thing which you need to understand. Now here, like before, we are not only studying about present, past or future. We are also studying कि जैसे कोई action अभी कंटिन्यूएशन में चल रहा है तो वो उसको क्या बोलेंगे, जो प्रोग्रेस में है प्रेजेंटली. और अगर जो एक्शन कंप्लीट हो चुका है तो हम उसे क्या बोलेंगे. सो दिस प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर इज डिवाइडेड अमंग 3 ग्रुप्स. आई विल टेल यू रफली एंड देयर इज अ टेबल व्हिच आई विल मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड. सिंपल प्रेजेंट मींस जो अभी हम बोल रहे हैं, लिव्स, वॉक्स, क्राइज, ऑल दैट. Present continuous. I am crying. That cries become crying. Ki continuously I am doing my action, that is crying continuously. So that becomes present continuous tense. Present perfect tense means I cried a lot. Means I cried. I've completed my action a way before. So that is perfect tense. That's why we say present perfect tense. The action which is already completed, but we are mentioning it in the present time. So that is called present perfect tense. Now we'll go table wise. This all we have done in 5th standard. So you need to very clearly understand what I am saying. I will not prolong this chapter very much. Okay. So present tense. Simple present tense means he lives in Bangalore. Reshma walks for an hour every day. Asin is a talented girl. Now you have to understand, when there is simple present tense means that tense cannot be changed. Hari lives in Bangalore. Now this is a truth. This is a thing, this is a truth that Hari lives in Bangalore and he is living in Bangalore. So nobody can change it. So that is a continuous action, we can say. A thing which is continually happening. I get up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. I gets up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. So means every day my ritual is to get up early in the morning at 6 o'clock and there is no change in it. So that becomes simple present tense when the action is repeated daily, always, and which cannot be changed. Reshma walks for an hour every day. So this is the thing which she does for an hour every day. So that's why walks. So that becomes simple present. Asin is a talented girl. Now Asin is a girl's name. She is talented and it will remain that way always. Today she is talented, tomorrow she won't be talented. ऐसा नहीं होगा. Asin आज भी talented है तो हमेशा ही talented रहेगी. That's why is. So that becomes a continuous process. So that becomes simple present tense. Now see, present continuous tense. We are eating mangoes. Sumit is cleaning his desk. Mary is typing an email. Now we are eating mangoes. So that process of eating mangoes are going on continuously. That eating mangoes process वो रुक रहा नहीं है, वो continuation में होए जा रहा है. So that is why it is called present continuous tense, because they are eating. अभी start किया है और अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है, अभी वो continue है. Sumit is cleaning the desk. At the present moment, what action Sumit is doing? Sumit is cleaning his whole desk. So that action is continuously going on. Mary is typing an email. Now Mary ने एक email type करना शुरू किया है और वो continuously वो काम कर रही है at the present moment. So that goes on for the continuous period of time. Now here I have given you that is helping verb plus main verb plus ing form. Now this will be, you will be getting this in detail when the present tense chapter we will study. यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ एक आइडिया के लिए दिया हुआ है कि इसके फॉर्मेशन कैसे होते हैं. हमने पहले चैप्टर्स में भी पढ़े हैं द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इट. सो हेल्पिंग वर्ब दैट इज आर, एम, जो भी है, that is called helping verb. The main verb means the action which is done in the sentence, that is the main verb. Here it is eating. तो हम main verb सिर्फ eat होता है, but हमें उसे present continuous tense बनाना है. That's why we will add ing form and the rest of the sentence. Now present perfect. We have eaten mangoes. Sumit has cleaned his desk. Mary has typed her email. Now here, when we have to show present perfect, eating will change into eaten. That is because we have done with the action. Cleaning will change into cleaned because we have done with the action. Typing will change into typed because we have done with the action. But whenever we need to show present perfect tense, has and have is the factor which we add to the eaten, cleaned, type, all these verbs. Okay, now have comes with the plural and has comes with the singular. Now we means बहुत सारे जन. That's why we have eaten mangoes. Now has means Sumit. Sumit is a name of a boy. एक ही लड़के का नाम है. That's why Sumit has it. Okay. Now Mary also one girl. So singular, that why has. And what we have changed it into typed. So this is called present perfect tense. Now here present perfect tense means an action which is completed and we are talking about it. Now somebody came and asked, क्या आपने खा लिया मैंगोज? तो हम क्या बोले? हाँ हमने खा लिया बट हम उसको प्रेजेंट में बोल रहे हैं. That's why we have eaten mangoes. Now present perfect continuous. As present continuous was there, same goes for present perfect continuous. Hari has been living in Koramangala. Reshmi has been attending yoga classes. Asin has been scoring well in her test. Means this perfect continuous means what? कि जो वो लोग कर रहे हैं वो continuation में चल ही रहा है हमेशा. Hari has been living in Koramangala means वो वहीं पे रहता है, अभी भी रह रहा है, आगे भी रहेगा. So that is present perfect continuous कि जो action वो लोग कर रहे हैं वो फ्यूचर में भी कंटिन्यू होता ही जाएगा और वो हमेशा यही बोलेंगे कि they are living there. So Hari has been living in Koramangala. Reshmi has been attending yoga classes. तो रेशमी अपना योगा क्लासेस कंटिन्यूएशन में अटेंड कर रही है. Asin has been scoring well in her test. So Asin is continuously scoring well in her test. That is her forte. So that will remain present perfect tense. Now we come to past tense. Now see your simple past means Ami was my classmate. There is a girl named called Ami. Was my classmate. She is not now. She was my classmate. Mary cleaned Sumit's desk. Mary ने क्या किया? सुमित का desk clean कर दिया. She has already done that work, so that becomes to the past. India became a republic in 1950. Every day India doesn't become republic. India has already become a republic in 1950, a way past before. वो हो चुके. So was, see here, was, cleaned, became, all that becomes into the past. Now past continues. Balakrishna was walking across the ground at night. Now I saw that Balakrishna was walking across the ground at night. And now I am telling it to somebody else because I have seen it at night and I am telling it in the morning. And I am telling it to someone else that you know what? I saw Balakrishna was walking across the ground at night. So that becomes past because मैंने वो रात को देखा, मैं उसे सुबह कह रही हूँ. So that becomes a past tense for me. The soldiers were running towards the fort. The soldiers were running. Now here also Balakrishna was. With singular it will come was. With plural it will come were. Or like this, everyone was reading. When we are mentioning each and every one, then it will come was. So जो past में continuation में हो रहा था. Soldiers were running toward the fort. When I saw the soldiers in the past, they were running. Continuously they were running. They were not stopping anywhere. So they were running towards the fort. So that's why it is past continuous tense, an action which is happening in the past for a quite time period, for the continuous period of time. So that becomes past continuous tense. Now here again, as in present tense, we had have and has. Have for singular, have for plural, has for singular. In past perfect, it becomes had. Had, and we change the verb fully. See, in the past perfect, it becomes Meenu had completed 3 years of training before joining the academy. Here you can see had. So had is used for showing the past perfect कि ये action पूरी तरीके से complete हो चुका है, ना ही तो वो continue होगा, ना ही वो continuation में रहेगा. So that is Meenu had completed 3 years of training before joining the academy. वो अपने एक action करने वाली है या कर रही है कि वो एक academy को join कर रही है, लेकिन उसने अपना जो भी ट्रेनिंग है वो 3 साल पहले ले लिया, खत्म कर दिया. That's why it is past perfect. That action is fully completed and done. The conductor had found a small bag under the seat. Now the conductor, पहले उन्होंने एक small bag सीट के नीचे ढूंढा था, वो action complete हो गया. The conductor was finding, the conductor had, conductor found, it's not claiming, conductor had found, and that goes for the past perfect tense. While the villagers had sleeping, the elephants entered the farm. Now here comes past perfect continuous. Past tense means the action which is done, completed, we are saying it, okay. Past continuous means the action which were continuously happening in the past for a time period of time when we watched and we are telling to others. मतलब जो action past में ही continuous में चल रहा था, were running, were writing, were teaching, so वो action past में थोड़ा continuation में था. That's why past continuous. जो action पूरी तरीके से complete हो चुका है और हम उसके बारे में बोलते हैं, so that becomes past perfect. Now past perfect continuous means you have to be a little careful while listening to the explanation, otherwise you will get into confusion. Past perfect continuous means two actions, which is like, जैसे while the villagers had been sleeping, the elephants entered the farm. There is two past actions here. One action is fully completed before the other action we are talking about. समझ में आया आपको? जैसे while the villagers had been sleeping, मतलब villagers तो सो रहे थे, वो लोग continuation में, that's why had been, वो लोग सो रहे थे जब elephant ने farm में enter किया था. Both the sentences or both the actions are in the past form, but the only difference is before the second action we are talking about the first action which has been already done or which has been already was taking place. समझ में आया आपको? जो action past में हो रहा था हमने उसे mention किया, क्यों? क्योंकि दूसरा action already past में हो चुका है. There is two actions taking place in the past. So I have taught you chapter number 5 as I am going to complete I have completed chapter number 12. मतलब मैंने chapter number 5 तुम्हें I have taught you. I am talking about that also and I am talking about this which I will complete. मतलब अभी तो मैं complete करूँगी, but I am giving you an example. So there is two action which is taking place in the past, and when we are mentioning the first action, that is had been, my chapter number 5 had been completed before I begin with the chapter number, or before I finish with my chapter number 5 or 12. Understand? See, same goes for Meenu had been practicing hard before she applied to the tennis academy. Meenu had been practicing, मतलब मीनू टेनिस एकेडमी में जब अप्लाई करने वाली थी उससे पहले ही वो बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी. Before she applied to the tennis academy. So she had been practicing. We are talking about a sentence which is already done before another action takes place. The volcano had been fuming for many years before erupted in 1932. Now in 1932 already the volcano erupted. Erupted means वो बाहर निकल चुका था फूट के, ठीक है. But वो उससे पहले ही क्या हो रहा था? Fuming, boiling. It was boiling before it got erupted. So the volcano had been fuming, मतलब वो जो action है वो चल रहा था और फिर ये action take place हुआ. So you have to always keep in mind past perfect continuous means two actions which we are talking about in the past, but one action is done before the another action. Understand? Good. Now it goes for future tense. Future tense means very simple. I will teach you tomorrow. Will teach my action कि मैं तुम्हें कल भी पढ़ाऊंगी. तो simple future it is. We will eat mangoes after lunch. कि हम लंच करने के बाद में मैंगोज खाएंगे. हमें कैसे पता चला वो? जब हमने eat, that is verb. Verb के साथ में हमने क्या डाला? Will. जब हमने will डाला तो हमें पता चला कि ये future tense होने वाला है कि हम लंच के बाद में मैंगोज खाएंगे. Mary will send her email after 5 minutes. See, the action which you do even after 2 minutes, that is called a future tense. I will drink water. After 2 minutes, I am going to drink water. So, I will drink water. So, that also becomes future tense. After 2 months, maybe the school will reopen maybe after 2 months. So, will reopen after 2 months. I am talking about the future tense after 2 months. Maybe. मैं एक एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ. नाउ डोंट कम विद द डाउट कि स्कूल चालू होगा कि नहीं होगा. आई एम ओनली गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल. अगर हम 2-3 महीने के बाद की बात भी करते हैं तो भी वो फ्यूचर टेंस है. 2 मिनट के बाद की बात करते हैं तब भी वो फ्यूचर टेंस है. 4-5 साल बाद की बात भी करेंगे, दैट ऑल्सो विल बी इंडिकेटेड एज अ फ्यूचर टेंस. Sumit will clean his desk tomorrow. Now Sumit is going to clean his desk tomorrow, so that becomes future tense. Now future continuous. Salima will be writing the speech for the inauguration. Salima ने अभी तक स्पीच लिखा नहीं है, उसे कल स्पीच देना है, तो will be writing मतलब वो continuously फ्यूचर में लिखेगी. तो लिखेगी तो एक वर्ड लिख के खत्म नहीं होगा. That means when she will start writing, that process, that action will take place in the continuation time. So that's why will be writing. Meenu will be traveling to Croatia to meet her coach Milosevic. Will be traveling. वो शायद नहीं. She will travel to meet her coach. The principal will be arriving anytime. Whenever we are standing for the assembly, whenever we used to stand for the assembly, हम हमेशा देखते हैं ना यहाँ वहाँ कि father आ रहे हैं कि नहीं, so that we can stand erect, right? So will be arriving any time. Now you don't know which time, but in future, in the next second also, he can arrive. So that also becomes a future tense. Now future perfect. Mary will have cleaned Sumit's desk before evening. Now future perfect में कैसा है कि हम पक्का कोई चीज बता रहे कि भाई इस टाइम तक ये चीज हो जाएगा, टेंशन नहीं लो. So will have cleaned Sumit's desk before evening. तो वो कर देगी. Mary will have cleaned Sumit's desk before. We will have eaten 5 mangoes by 5 o'clock. Mary will have cleaned Sumit's desk before evening. The villagers will have escaped by the time the volcano erupts. The workers will have been working for 10 hours by 5:30. Now this 3 example, that is, we will have eaten 5 mangoes by 5 o'clock. Mary will have cleaned Sumit's desk before evening. The villagers will have escaped by the time of the volcano erupts. Means on the future we are thinking कि हम 5 बजे तक तो हम लोगों ने 5 मैंगो तो खा ही लिए हैं, खा लेंगे. हम शाम तक मैरी सुमित का डेस्क पूरा क्लीन कर लेगी. और विलेजेस वोल्केनो इरप्ट मतलब वोल्केनो फूटेगा उससे पहले दे विल एस्केप. सो वी आर वेरी श्योर ऑफ इट. Now again future perfect continues. The workers will have been working for 10 hours by 5:30. Asin will have been studying when Arun telephones her from Australia. The villagers will have been sleeping at the time of the elephant raid. Now here they are talking about an action which will be continuing for a quite period of time. The workers will have been working for 10 hours by 5:30. मतलब 5:30 से वो वर्कर्स और 10 घंटे पूरा काम करने वाले हैं. दैट इज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. They are going to work for 10 hours. That is perfect. Asin will have been studying when Arun telephones from Australia. From Australia. मतलब वो पढ़ी रही होगी जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया से अरुण का फोन आएगा. विलेजर्स सो रहे होंगे जब एलिफेंट टाइम ऑफ द एलिफेंट रेड मतलब जब एलिफेंट की रेड होगी विलेज में तभी भी वो लोग सो रहे होंगे. सो दैट इज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस व्हिच वी नो दैट इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू हैपन बिफोर एनी ऑफ द फ्यूचर एक्शन टेक्स place or before the future action takes place. Here also we are talking about two things. So one action is taking place, we know in the future also it is continuously going to happen before the other action in the future will take place. This goes same as past perfect tense. So this was all about the chapter tenses. Now here you have to understand, ये लोग ने बहुत short में आप लोगों को दिया है कि present tense में simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Past में simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Future में future simple future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. ये चार चीजें दिए हुए बहुत simple चीजों में. See, you only have to keep in mind the three main thing. It is present, past and future. Present means अभी, past means पहले, future means आने वाला कल. प्रेजेंट में अभी जो कर रहे दैट कैन नॉट बी चेंज्ड. दैट इज अ यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. दैट इज योर हैबिट जो कंटिन्यूस चलता रहेगा. कंटिन्यू फ्यूचर प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस में इट इज व्हाट द एक्शन व्हिच इज गोइंग ऑन. परफेक्ट में क्या है जो एक्शन हो गया लेकिन हम उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. परफेक्ट में क्या है जो एक्शन ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड है और हमें उसका करेक्ट टाइमिंग पता है और हम उसके बारे में एट प्रेजेंट बात करते हैं तब होता है. So this all goes for the same thing, past, future. Past tense you should know what is simple past tense. Simple past continuous मतलब continuation में action. Perfect means खत्म हो चुका है और जो action खत्म हो चुका है हम उसके बारे में continuation में बात करते तब वो हो जाता है past perfect continuous. Future means जो होने वाला है भले वो एक दिन बाद हो एक मिनट बाद हो. और फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस में जो एक्शन हम शायद कंटिन्यूसली फ्यूचर में करने वाले हैं वो जो एक्शन हमें पक्का है कि हम करेंगे ही तो वो फ्यूचर परफेक्ट है. और उसी फ्यूचर परफेक्ट को जब हम कंटिन्यूस बेस में करते हैं फ्यूचर के लिए दैट बिकम्स फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द चैप्टर टेंसेस. सो एज आई ऑलवेज टेल यू keep the textbook with you whenever I am explaining you the chapter and you will come to know the meaning of it very clearly. इतना ही मैं कर सकती हूँ. मेरे सामने होते तो we would have done many things but for now you listen carefully. The PDF, the answer the following, I mean the exercises, the answer key, everything will be given to you and according to the instructions you have to read the instruction कि मैं कौन सा नोटबुक में लिखने के लिए बोल रही हूँ और कौन सा टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखने के लिए बोल रही हूँ. Okay students, thank you so much to listening and complete your books and keep. Okay.